As you've probably already noticed, when you create models in SolidWorks, you spend quite a bit of time creating sketches. One technique you can use to save time is copy and paste. You can select a sketch file like this one here from the Feature Manager tree, click Edit, Copy, or Control-C, and then pick the face or plane where you want to paste the sketch. Click Edit, Paste, or Control-V, and that's all there is to it. Now, wouldn't it be nice if when you made a change to the original sketch, the one you copied also changed? You can accomplish this using the Derived sketch command. You can find this command on the Insert drop-down menu. In order for it to be active, you have to pre-select two things: the sketch you want to copy and the face or plane you want to copy it onto. In this case, I'll select the original sketch used for the cut and this face. Now I can use the Derived sketch command. Notice the resulting sketch does not have dimensions on it. This is because it's completely controlled by the original sketch. All you can do is add dimensions or relations to position it however you wish. Watch what happens when I go back to the original sketch and make a change to a dimension. When I rebuild the model, the copied sketch remains unchanged while the derived sketch updates. If you ever want to break a derived sketch so it's not related to the original, just right-click on it and select Underive.